some coffee. Nice. Hello everyone, and I have like the messiest hair ever, but you know what, today it is the last video. That means the last eye makeup look that I'm creating using chocolate gold eyeshadow palette by Too Faced. Now I am kind of sad for that, that this series was kind of short, but at the same time I'm really happy because that means in the next weeks I will be creating even more content, you know, like this kind of mini series using other makeup, other eyeshadow palettes to do, you know, different makeup looks. And let me know in the comments below if you like this kind of content. Okay, so now let's do the final eye makeup look. And yesterday, I mean, if you watched yesterday's makeup look, I have used a gorgeous purple eyeshadow that this chocolate gold palette has, and I was literally obsessed of how, you know, how vibrant it was. So I've decided today to do again something with a little bit of purple, maybe some green in it, you know, kind of play with colors. So firstly I will moisturize my eye area, and I'm using some eye cream, and then I will prime my eyelids as always with this eyeshadow primer by e.l.f. Now let's go to the eye makeup. So I'm gonna be taking a fluffy brush, and as I did before on the other makeup looks, I will take the Rolling in Dough eyeshadow and I will go all over my eyelid and bring it towards my brow bone. Now this is like a good eyeshadow base, makes all of the other eyeshadows to really slide beautifully, and it helps to blend them. So I'm taking cocoa truffle with a pencil brush. I'm going right here into the outer crease, really blend that, and I'm creating a little V shape, just like that. And I'm gonna take a little bit more from this color and go directly here into the lower lash line. Now with a clean brush, I'll go and blend the edges. And again, I'm going to take cocoa truffle and apply a little bit more. And again, with a clean brush, blend the edges. And I will add a little bit more on the lower lashes. I think I'm gonna create something like a smoky eye look, but you know, with some color. I really like doing smoky eye looks, even though I'm totally sucker for, you know, kind of more no makeup looks, but I do like a nice edgy smoky eye look. I think it looks very beautiful. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna leave it the way it is now. Probably I'll go back again, but I'll just leave it the way it is. So now I will take a new money, and this is like a gorgeous hot pink shimmery color. It is gorgeous, and this one I want to apply it here into my crease. I am like totally obsessed with this color. Love it. Okay, so now I will take again a clean brush, and I'll go again and blend here the edges. I mean, if you have to blend like 3 hours, do it, okay? It's really essential that you do it. Now I will take money back, this gorgeous green color, with my finger. It's so gorgeous, and I'll go onto my eyelid. And money bags I will also apply in my lower lashes or lash line, wherever. So I'm gonna go a little bit more, like really close to my lashes, and I will go back with cocoa truffle, and I'm gonna intensify this outer corner, and I will go with a clean brush and blend it again. Okay, so now I will take a really small angled brush, and I will take Decadent, this black eyeshadow, and I will create a winged liner. You can also go with an eye pencil if you want. So let's do this, and this is the moment where I don't breathe at all, you know, because it has to be like a very sharp line, and when I breathe I tend to mess everything up. So let's see. So you want to actually follow the natural shape of your under lash line, you know, like imagine your lash line, your under lash line goes, you know, all up to your brow, you know, and this is like the line that you want to follow for a flawless winged liner. Something like this. You can always use some concealer if you want to do corrections, and this is it. I just love it. Obviously it is not done, so now you guys, I will go and finish off the other eye, do my base, and apply some lipstick, false lashes, mascara, and all of that, and I'll be right back. So what do we guys think about this eye makeup? I know I am obsessed with it. I totally love it. It's definitely not your everyday makeup look, but I just love it. And also tell me which of these 3 eye makeup looks using chocolate gold eyeshadow palette from Too Faced you like the most. And I think this is everything for this mini series. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more content like this one, and I do hope to see you on the next video. Bye.